Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to your account's main homepage where the actual game is played. Now, tap on the friends icon located in the bottom tray of icons and you will get to the invitation and friends page. Here, tap on the invite button at the bottom of the screen and you will be able to see invite bar on your screen. In order to fill this bar, you will need to send this invitation to your friends and family and get them to download this game. You can only invite a total of 10 people on this game. But if you manage to do it, you will be able to get the highest reward available, which is 150 dice rolls. Similarly, there are a bunch of checkpoints on which you get a number of rewards along with the final reward. In order to invite people, tap on the share icon and then select the platform through which you would like to invite your friends. That's how you can fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.